You're not tired. You're not broken. You're just addicted to a life that kills your soul. And the worst part? You think this is normal. Julian Mantle thought it was normal too. Until his heart exploded in a courtroom. Julian Mantle had it all. Millions in the bank. Designer suits. The red Ferrari. People envied him. Women wanted him. Men wanted to be him. But here's the dark truth. A man can have everything and still be spiritually bankrupt. That's what Julian was. Burned out. Empty. Soulless. Wearing a $3,000 tie while dying inside every single day. Sound familiar? You're chasing money, girls, followers, validation. But every night, you lie there, scrolling, choking on your thoughts, wondering, why do I still feel like SH*T? Because you're not living. You're just existing with style. Julian disappeared, left his career, sold his Ferrari, burned every piece of his identity. The world called him insane. But deep down, he was doing something most men never do. He left the cage voluntarily. He traveled to the Himalayas, found a group of monks, not soft men in robes, but spiritual assassins. Silent, disciplined, focused. They didn't speak much because they didn't have to prove anything. That's what power looks like. Here's what Julian learned. 7 truths. Each one a blade to cut the lies you've been fed. 1. Master your mind. Your mind is not your therapist. It's not your buddy. It's a double-edged weapon. And if you don't control it, it becomes your worst enemy. Psychological fact. You think 60,000 thoughts a day, and 95% of them are on repeat. That means if you've been feeling broken, anxious, stuck, you're looping in your own mental prison. And here's the darkness. Your brain is addicted to comfort, even if comfort is killing you. If your thoughts were a playlist, you'd be playing Self-Doubt, Volume 9, on loop. You're not your thoughts. You are the warlord who commands them. So command them. Wake up early. Meditate. Get silent. Get sharp. Because the man who controls his mind controls his world. 2. Follow your purpose. Here's what they don't teach you. Most men don't die of disease. They die of distraction. Video games. Porn. Endless scrolling. All tools of sedation. Tools of mental castration. Because purpose is painful. Purpose demands sacrifice. And that's why most avoid it and choose numbness over nobility. But deep inside, something's screaming. You were built for war, not Wi-Fi. You were born to protect, to build, to break yourself, and rise again. And yes, following purpose hurts. But you know what hurts more? Waking up at 45, no mission, no legacy, just regret wrapped in comfort. One pain makes you a warrior. The other makes you a ghost. 3. Kaizen, daily, relentless growth. Kaizen means constant self-improvement, and it's not optional anymore. It's mental survival. Real talk. Every day you skip the gym. Every book you don't read. Every discipline you avoid. You're choosing decay over domination. Your future wife? She's hoping you're building yourself. Your future kids? They're hoping their father isn't another weak, reactive man. A man doesn't break overnight. He rots, silently, consistently, by choosing what's easy. Grow 1% daily, or stay stuck. Those are your only 2 options. 4. Discipline is masculine energy. Forget what soft culture told you. Discipline isn't punishment. It's power, direction, fire. The monks wake up before the world, because they own their mind before the world can pollute it. Discipline is skipping comfort. It's killing weakness in the womb. It's doing what you said you'd do, even when no one's watching. Without discipline, you're just a boy chasing moods. With it, you're a man building empires in silence. Discipline is the difference between dopamine addicts and dangerous men. 5. Time is the only currency. You can get money back. You can get energy back. But you will never get your time back. Scroll for 30 minutes? That's 30 minutes closer to the grave. Waste 2 years chasing fake friends or women who don't care. That's 2 years you'll never get again. Let this slap you. You are not promised to wake up tomorrow, and yet you act like you've got forever. You don't. That dream in your chest, it's suffocating under your "I'll do it later" lies. Time is your real Ferrari, and every second is gas or a grenade. You choose. 6. Serve others without losing your edge. This isn't be nice. This is be useful. Be impactful. Be remembered. A real man doesn't serve because he's weak. He serves because he's so powerful. He has value to give. You want fulfillment? not just sex or status. You want legacy? Then give. Share knowledge. Protect people. Build communities. But keep your edge. Don't bend. Don't chase approval. The world respects the man who serves with steel, not softness. Make people better, and watch how you rise with them. 7. Live in the now, or die in the illusion. The present moment is where your power lives. But most men are either haunted by the past or hypnotized by the future. You're stuck reliving that heartbreak, or fantasizing about the better version of you that never shows up. The truth? The only thing that exists is now. This breath, this decision, this mission. You either seize it or scroll past it. Want to change your life? Don't wait for a perfect plan. Start now. Start ugly. Start obsessed. Because if you don't, your future self will hate you for the time you burned in distraction. These aren't just 7 lessons. They're 7 blades, sharpened by silence, forged in pain. And now, they're in your hands. The question is, will you cut through the lies or continue living in chains? Let's get darker. The modern man is weak by design, overstimulated, underfocused, full of rage with nowhere to aim it. Why? Because society wants you tame, wants you confused, wants you emasculated. That's why men are depressed, addicted, lonely. But you're waking up, and that's dangerous. Because a man who wakes up becomes a weapon the system can't control. Let's get real. You got ghosted? Use the pain to train harder, to get sharper, to earn more. You lost someone? Turn grief into gratitude, then build in their name. You hate your life? Good. That means something inside you still wants more. Use it. The Ferrari you're chasing won't save you, but the fire inside you will. Julian came back, not as a lawyer, but as a monk with the mind of a king. He didn't escape life. He faced it, rebuilt, transformed. Now it's your turn. Burn the fake identity. Build the warrior. Control your mind, or be controlled forever. Because in the end, the choice is simple. Become the monk who sold his Ferrari, or stay the broken boy who dies with his hands full and his soul empty. Your move.